Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Sezzle to Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Then you can see here accept and payments. The third option, click on accept and payments. Accept payments, I mean. Then scroll down and you'll find here see more payment options. Click on this and now scroll down again till you find Sezzle. This one you can see a Sezzle. If you want to connect this Sezzle, you have to click on connect. Then here the Sezzle instruction, you have to read it carefully and do according to it. After that, you can see here account information. You have to add your public key here. Then you have to add here your private key. Then you can see the Sezzle. Then after that, you can connect your Sezzle account. You have to click on connect, then your account will be connected. So this is how you can add Sezzle to Wix. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.